Hello again, guys. My name is Andrew, of course, and today it's something that I'm not using to do. Something different than unboxing or testing a tool. Well, here we got an Ikea lamp, desk lamp for my office, and I will going to modify it because my plastic mounting hole that is going to my desk has broken, and I want to replace it with a casting mold. I will do that with a plaster, and I will cast it, and I will do something that is going to hold this lamp without mounting it in my desk with the screws or whatever was included with this Ikea lamp. Well, let's start it, and what do we need to do that? First of all, we need a plaster, here it is, some water, and many rocks, and something that we're going to cast on the plaster. You can use many shapes that you like. You can find it in your home in everyday use. For me, I will use this plastic Tupperware. We can put here foods, whatever you want to store to your fridge. I don't need it anymore, that, or this. But it is a smaller, and I think something bigger to be heavier and can hold the Ikea lamp when I stretch it, when I put it in the position that I want. Well, now we need an empty plastic. We will put inside a small amount of plaster. But before beginning to put some water, I will disassemble the base. It's very important to do that because when you are going to cast inside with the plaster, you don't need any heavy materials to put inside, because otherwise it cannot hold the plaster, this Ikea lamp. That's why I'm going to disassemble it, and it will be more comfortable for you. The plaster, it will dry in about 10 minutes. You can put it in the sun to make it faster. It's a fast dry plaster. Put that away. And that it will go here, and it will stay until it will dry. Well, here is the plaster. I think we can put a little bit more. And let's put some water. With a spoon, we can mix it and become that's what we need. The idea came to me yesterday because I have enough for this Ikea lamp and plastic mounting in my desk. And I said to myself, why not? To cast some plaster or cement or concrete, whatever you need, make it more suitable for you. No, mess. Well, let's put more. You can make a less amount that you think you can use for this plastic. You don't want to use it more and just throw it in the garbage. Just trying to mix it well. Okay. Time to cast. Put it all inside. Try to take out the bubbles. Now, throw some rocks inside to make it heavier. Just don't put in the middle because you need to install this. Okay. Try not to find in the corners because you don't want to see the rock come out. No, I don't think so. We can put another one. Okay, now let's install it. Okay, you need to put it like backwards because as you're doing the lamp, you need the heavy part of this casting to be backwards. Yes, backwards. Okay, that's nice. Okay, we need to cast more plaster. Be easy. Put some water again. Let's try to put some rock again. Here. A little bit here. It's a bit liquid, but it's okay. It'll be better. Take this metal, it's a straight line. Trying to move it around. Okay. A little bit more. lift it up and try to put it in the right position that you want straight without interfering anything. Okay. Now try to make it straight as you can. It doesn't matter if it's not so good, I will grind it when I will take it out of this mold. Okay. I think it's fair enough straight. We can leave it now to dry. And we'll see how it goes. Here's a closer look how it looks. As it's drying, I will try to make it more straight because I see some bubbles. Not straight surfaces. Okay, let's try again. Okay, that's nice. It's already drying, very good. Waiting to dry more, and we will take it out. Another smart idea is to install an LED strip around of your desk lamp, and then the same cable, just put a switch here, or include it, switch that has the Ikea LED lamp, and connect a 12-volt adapter to work. It's very useful, it's very bright, I can tell that. Now, for the casting. It's already dry, and we must take it out. That's the difficult part, because this is not something we can break. It's not a casting with a hood. We can unmount it. It's a plastic. It's very difficult to break it. Maybe we will risk to break our plaster, and then disaster. Well, first of all, let's take this out. Trying to hit it a little bit around. Small vibration. If you break it, it's nothing. You can repair that. Maybe you can turn it around. Okay, again. If you're getting hard to take it out, leave it in the sun for 10 minutes. Now, let's try, here it is. Trying to squeeze it. See? And focus. Sorry about that. Ah, and voila! So beautiful. Oh, break it here, that's okay. Oh, very nice. Now, what do we need to make the surface more beautiful? We can sand it, of course. Just take this sand spoon, drying. Okay, the corners not so hard. And you'll see how smooth it will go. And this is a very smooth area. Well, you can do that, and you have surface. Close the plaster, it's a little bit soft now. And again, you can do it around. And that was all, guys. This is the way how to cast a plaster for your Ikea lamp. And of course, let's install it. If you have unwanted plaster in the metal, you can clean it up. Of course, you can paint it, you can do whatever you like, you need to make it more beautiful. If that's not please you and you don't like it. Wow, it's very hot now. Now, let's clean it. install it. Sorry, that goes the other way. Okay, let's screw it tight. And here how it looks to my office. It blends very good with the environment. And is lighting very good, no problem. Okay guys, that was all how to cast an Ikea lamp, desk lamp, to make your life more easier. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my video, it's your choice. Hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming. And please share this video, you never know who may need it. Thank you again. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.